Here's a trade that we made on April 22nd, so less than a month ago. And as you can see, we have around a $2,300 profit. This trade is going to end up expiring this upcoming Friday. And the reason behind this trade was that JP Morgan fell down below $85. We then sold a put option with a strike price of 75, which would require us to purchase JP Morgan if it fell below 75 at the expiration date. Right now, JP Morgan is trading at about $91. So as you can see, this trade has about $16 of safety net. And this is the type of trade that we love to make, where we take advantage of a short-term mispricing, where we felt that when JP Morgan fell below 85, that it was oversold. But we still don't know if the stock's going to continue to decline. So as a result, we sold a put option with a strike price of 75. That then gave us an additional $10 of safety net. We collected around $1.50 of premium for every single contract that we sold. So we collected around $2,300 of premium. And as you can see now, JP Morgan and these contracts are going to expire on Friday for a full $2,300 profit. These are exactly the types of trades that we like to make, where there's no stress. It is extremely easy money. And if you're able to learn how to sell options and you're able to trade and be disciplined and patient, we make these trades probably around 100, 200 times every single year. So if you're interested, you can sign up at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. You can learn the best way to become a consistently profitable trader, where the odds are in your favor and there's very high probability of profit. This isn't a situation where you're going to have to use BS technical analysis or day trade. In this situation, the odds are in your favor, because think about it. JP Morgan was oversold at the time we made this trade, but even if we were wrong, we still sold a put option that was $10 below the current market price, which means that as long as JP Morgan doesn't fall an incremental $10, then our position would not be challenged. If JP Morgan fell below the strike price, and let's say it fell to $70, then we would just simply roll the position until it was profitable. But as you can see, these trades have a probability of profit of over 90%. Sometimes they have a probability of profit of about 98%. This is a way for you to make easy money, where you can make a few $1,000s. Here we made around $2,300 with no stress. You don't have to monitor the position. You don't have to be concerned that the position is going to go against you, and you're going to end up winning around 98 to 99% of your trades. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to enroll in the Best Options Trading Education course, you can go to BestStockStrategy.com/memberships. And if you want to enroll in the live options trade alerts, then you can also go to BestStockStrategy.com/memberships, and you can sign up for the 7-day trial. It's only $19.